So Steve, I've heard that every thistle's a bad thistle, but you say you like this one. What's with you?
Well, this is an annual thistle. It is a native plant. It doesn't have the spines up and down the stem that the invasive or introduced species have. It's real important for pollinators. You'll find bumblebees on this and butterflies and a lot of other bugs and insects. So this is a friendly plant. Grows from its roots every year. Doesn't form colonies. It grows from a seed every year, and it doesn't form colonies. It's not biennial. We'll look at one in a minute that is. So that's annual, and it's good.
And you can tell it's a native one, I've heard, by the fact that it's white on the underside of the leaves.
Good point. White on the underside, and you can run your finger across that without getting stuck by spines.
There's little spines on the edges here.
There are on the edges, but it's not thorny, and there are also no row of spines between the leaves on the stem.
Okay.
But rows of spines from leaf to leaf is an introduced thistle. Right before us we have bull thistle, a biennial. It forms a rosette in the 1 year, and then it bolts and produces seed the next year. This is introduced, doesn't form huge colonies, but you'll find a large area of scattered out plants. This is one I target for control. I spray this with my spot spraying, usually at the time I'm doing something else, or I have an awl that I dig up the roots that I find, and when I find a rosette I can pull it out of the ground. If it's wet, it's a good time to get out there in May and June. It's still wet enough you can pull that sucker out of the ground and get rid of it. Pollinators still use it. It's good for all of that, but it is bad about forming other colonies, and it's so spiny that the cattle don't want to graze around it. So it's a problem plant. It's an invasive species, introduced, and with any native grass planting you will have a number of broadleaf plants, some good, some bad, especially the invasive ones that come in and you need to pay attention and control.
Yeah.
And I like spot spraying for main reason is right here we've got bull thistle, 2 of them. Right here we have pitcher sage. So I don't want to kill this plant, but I want to kill that one. So I want to make my herbicide get on just that plant, this plant, and protect that one.
Yeah, good plant, bad plant.
Yep, side by side, both good pollinators, but one bad.
Yep. Well, I'm glad you cleared up that not every thistle is a bad thistle. Some of them are good. I guess it's a matter of getting our perspective right. Is that right? That's
correct. Knowing the difference. Not hard to know the difference. And you save a lot of herbicide and labor if you know what ones to control and what not.
Yeah.
You know, another one I'll bring up, I don't have it, and that of course is musk thistle. Everybody knows what musk thistle is. We have in Missouri the Musk Thistle Weevil, both the flower and the rosette. And even though I'll have 1 or 2 plants show up here, I may or may not control it because I want the weevil to survive and kill other plants that it produces.
And the musk thistle being an introduced invasive.
Musk thistle's another introduced invasive species.
Yep.
Sometimes you have to tolerate a few musk thistle plants just to ensure the population that controls it doesn't die out.
Yeah. Musk thistle is not the problem that it was when I was a kid. Even
precisely, and that's because of the weevil. And not every place has the weevil. Not every state has the weevil. But we in Missouri have it, and it's done a good job. And I can't tell you if it's ever affected a native one. It's not supposed to, but it doesn't kill my bull thistle, but it does do a good job on the musk.
Yeah. I'm Elizabeth with Hamilton Native Outpost, and we raise native grass and wildflower seed. It's been my pleasure to be on the grassland today with Steve Clubine, who has over 40 years of experience managing grasslands, knowing a good thistle from a bad thistle.
We at Hamilton Native Outpost make these videos to share the unique knowledge that we have gained from over 40 years of working with native plants as we raise and sell native grass and wildflower seeds. If you found this video helpful, we need your help to get the message out. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. It helps others to find us. Thank you.